our 220 and 240 voltage. First off, the overall dimensions. Length, we have 13 inches. Depth, we have 15.25 inches. Depth from the back of the base to the front end, 14.25 inches. And the height, resting on legs, total of 4 inches. The induction warming area, the dimensions will be 11/8 inches by also 11/8 inches in height. Coming here is the temperature control, the on and off, function button, lock and timer. Coming back here is their 220 voltage. In the back, we'll have a sticker that will show the ETL listed and the ETL sanitation listed stamps. Coming down here will also indicate the hertz and the voltage. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for this product. Thank you.